this is Jill from the Diabetes Prevention Program, bringing you today a really quick pantry staple that you can make with things that you were probably going to throw away anyway. So I have 2 pots here on the stove, and last night we roasted a chicken, so I saved the bones. I divided them up into 2 bags, so I'm going to put half into one pot and half into the other. And then I have another bag that I keep in the freezer, so every time I peel a carrot or cut the top off of an onion or something like that, I just throw it into the bag in the freezer and save it until it's chicken roasting time. So I'm gonna take these scraps. I've got, some celery tops. If I peel a clove of garlic, I'll put the skin into there. So I'm just gonna divide this bag of scraps amongst the 2 pots here. Shake out every last bit. And then I'm just going to add some peppercorns, some whole peppercorns. You could certainly add just some plain old pepper, kind of to your taste. I've got a little bit of parsley, so I'll add a little bit of dried parsley. You could use fresh parsley or whatever kind of herbs you prefer. And then a little bit of salt. This happens to be coarse sea salt, but again, you could add no salt at all if that's something that you're limiting. And then I'm going to take some water and just fill the pots up to the tippity top. I'll probably need to refill this a few times. And then I will bring this to a boil and put it on low to simmer for a couple of hours. I've got a really fine strainer. I'll just strain out all of the stuff, and I'll have some great chicken broth that I can throw in the freezer and use all winter long for yummy soups. So hope you enjoy this recipe and let us know if you want more.